So let's take the gas valve out of a SIG 550 series rifle. This here is a 553 SB, but it should work with any 550, 551, 55X, anything like that. So obviously we'll want to remove our silencer here. We'll make sure that our valve is free. Detent is working as it should. If that's locked up, it'll be a different problem. But all that you're going to want to do is push down on the detent, not all the way, or else your gas tube might start rotating. But push on it just enough while you're twisting, and it should come right off. Goes right in just the same way. If you push this down all the way and try to turn, then that may be where you're having issues with your gas system. Let me know if that helps.